Hi, I've done a video about 5 minutes long comparing the GoPro 7 camera to the Insta 360 X2, and I slowed this down just so you can get an idea, and you can pause this at various times to check out the color difference, see how much wider the Insta onex2 took, how much more viewing you got, because I did this in the 150 degree mode. But the GoPro Hero 7, definitely a better quality picture for the most part. The colors are more accurate. The Insta seems a little bit grainy. I did use the HDR mode for filming this, but it's definitely more yellowish or orangish than the Insta, whereas the GoPro shows more of the natural colors. I did a virtual tour in one of the houses I'm selling, walkthrough tour with my cameras. That's the purpose for this. And again, I just purchased the Insta not too long ago. And again, I just want to compare side by side. And the quality of the picture I think the GoPro is quite a bit better quality. Maybe if I wouldn't have shot this in the HDR mode, it may have been a little bit better, a little bit less grainy on the Insta. I'm not sure. You do get a wider field of view, but you can see as you're going through doors and things, the sides are kind of curved. They get kind of that fisheye distortion. But again, the colors here in the basement don't look too bad. They're fairly similar, but again, it's a little bit exaggerated. On the Insta camera on the right, it's more of the orangish or reddish color. Whereas the camera on the left, the GoPro, that's more realistic color. Again, the Insta is nice. Pause this video numerous times if you want to just see the difference in the wide angle, how much more image you get with the Insta. That's the beauty of the 360 cameras. Even if you use it on 150 degrees, that gives you a pretty wide range, so you're getting a very good field of vision. Although GoPro, I didn't set on the ultra wide. It was just set for the wide angle, not the ultra wide. That would have also made a difference, but check it out, see what you think. Just my opinion, but I think the GoPro does a better job for sure, picture-wise, quality-wise. The Insta is definitely exaggerated colors. Outside, it doesn't do nearly as bad. You've got a lot more light, and it gets a little bit more accurate. You still see it's kind of exaggerated colors. They're extremely like a yellowish green grass. So you can watch the rest of the video. It's about 5 minutes long, about 2.5, 3 minutes left. But if you want to just watch it and just, again, pause the video if you want a number of times, just so you can see the difference, how much wider the view is on the 360 or, in this case, the 150 degree mode. But quality-wise, I would say the GoPro 7 is definitely going to be a better bet for like a walkthrough tour of a house or something. But if you need the wide angle, then of course the Insta 360. If this helps you, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more videos. I'll be doing a few more videos now in the 360 photography, as I'm starting to see the potential to make money on 360. So keep your eyes open. Again, hit subscribe, like. If you hit the bell, you'll see all the new videos as I put them out. Thanks for your time. God bless, and hope you have a good one.